Hi guys! I got a ton of new stuff in from Picket Fence Studio, so I wanted to play with one of the stamp sets. So I chose to take out the Magical Unicorn stamp set. It's got a really pretty unicorn face here, and I wanted to make some tags, so I thought this image would be perfect to make some tags for my design team. I used the sentiment, "You are magical," and it's a solid stamp, so I wanted to add different colors. So I'll make a tag and show you how I did that. I also thought this stamp would be great for the alcohol ink lift pad and lift some alcohol ink. Wouldn't that be nice, because it's a nice solid stamp? So that's something to try. So let me share the tags with you. So I just got out a rectangle die, created a little frame around it, used my Distress Oxide inks, added some glitter, added some mulberry flowers there, and then I put some blush on the little unicorn, add some tulle and some ribbon. So really simple to make. To add the blush, I used the new Life-Changing Blender Brush Set by Picket Fence Studio. So they have a lot of different sizes in here, and the brushes are so soft. They are so soft. And I used this size here. I thought it was the perfect size to add a little blush. So I'll be using that. I used my Misty so I could crank out these 4 tags really easily. So I just left the stamp set in the same spot. Cut all my die cuts out. So we're gonna start off with the pink color oxide ink. So let me move my tags out of the way. I'm using Worn Lipstick. So what I did is I just pounced on the ink directly from the ink pad here. And then I have a baby wipe. So let me get that out. So if I get any of the colors on places I don't want, I could just simply wipe it off with the baby wipe. Okay, so I'll have that to the side here. So right now I'm just going to do the top, because I want the ears to be pink and the horn. It would be really cute to do the horn in a gold. So I don't have a gold, but I would have done that if I did. I'm just going to wipe off the ink on the sentiment because I want that in black. Now, since I'm using my Misty, I can stamp down the image several times as needed. So I'll do it one more time, so I could get a really nice deep impression. Now to add the other colors, I just took my cracked pistachio and I just took a piece of plastic. So I just have this bubble wrap leftover packaging here, and I just lifted up some of the ink, and I'm just going to use this as a little stamp pad, and then just pounce the ink. Gives it some nice texture too. So I'll do it with the green and the purple color. I'm using Wilted Violet. So it kind of blends in the colors. So let's add a little bit more of that green color here. Now I'm going to do the eyes in black. So let's make sure that ink's off of there. And the sentiment in black as well. Now to make sure that it's not wet before I add the black ink. And I'm using the VersaFine Clear in the black color. Okay, that's pretty good. So now let me clean up my stamp real quickly. So I'm going to use the same pink color in worn lipstick, and I'll just rub off some of the ink on a scratch piece of paper so don't get any harsh lines. Now you see how beautiful this blends. Isn't that pretty? So now I want to add a little frame. So let's get my glue out. I'm just using the Art Glitter Glue. A little trick to add the frame on straight. Stick it in the corner of your MISTI. And then when you add the frame, just pop that right on up against the corner. Then you have perfect placement there. So I'll put something heavy on there to let it dry for a little bit. And then we'll add our flowers and ribbon. Glue pen. Now take a glue pen and add where you want glitter. So I want it on the horn. So I'm just gonna trace the little horn here. So I could sprinkle some glitter on top. All unicorns need glitter, don't you think? I'm using the Deco Art Glamour Dust for my glitter. So just sprinkle some on and then I'll tap it away. So let's pop a hole so we could add our ribbon. So I chose to use some tulle. I have this ribbon. I thought it would be really perfect with the unicorn theme. So I'm just going to tie that around my tool and then add my ribbon. Let's create a bow. Now we are ready to add some flowers. So I'm going to do that by using a glue gun. So I'll add the 2 on the outside first. And then the larger one in the middle. And then pull off your little glue strings. I hope you guys enjoyed this tag. I hope you guys give it a try, and I will link down in the description box the stamp set and the link to the shop. Thanks for stopping by, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys!